In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your products in Shopify using CSV files. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Shopify admin, so you can quickly add or update products in bulk instead of doing everything one by one. This is especially helpful if you're migrating from another platform or managing a large catalog. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, look for the products section and click on it. This takes you to your main product list. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see an import button. Click import and a pop-up window will appear. Before uploading anything, look to the lower left corner of this pop-up and click download sample CSV. This file is provided by Shopify and it already follows the exact format Shopify expects. Using this as your template helps you avoid common errors. Open the CSV file you just downloaded using your preferred spreadsheet tool. At the top, you'll see that all the column headers are already filled in. These headers represent different types of information: product level fields, variant level fields, and option fields. Now you can start entering your own data under these headers. For example, under the handle column, type a unique identifier for each product. Under title, enter your product name. Under body, add your product description. Work your way across the sheet, filling in what's relevant for your products. If your products have variants, pay attention to the option columns. You'll see option 1 name and option value. Option 1 name is the type of variant, and option value is the specific choice. For instance, you might put color under option name and then green under option 1 value. If you have more options, like size, use option name and option value, and so on. You can also look at the sample rows that come with the file to understand how Shopify expects the data to be structured. When you've finished filling out your products, go to the top left of your spreadsheet tool, click File, then Download, and choose comma-separated values or .csv. This ensures the file remains in the correct format for Shopify. Next, go back to your Shopify products page and click Import again. In the pop-up, click Add File. A file browser window will open so you can locate the CSV file you just saved on your computer. Select it, click Open, then choose Upload and Review. Shopify will show you a preview of your product data. Take a moment to confirm that the fields look correct and match what you expect. If everything looks good, click Import Products at the bottom right of the pop-up. Shopify will display a message letting you know it's currently importing your products into your store. Depending on how many items you have, this may take a short while. Once the import is complete, your products will appear in your product list inside Shopify. From there, you can click into individual products to double-check details, add images if needed, or make any final adjustments.